As the world becomes more AI driven, there's a dynamic to reading that many of us do not know. We give AI to do our reading for us, or we revert to audiobooks. Audiobooks are good. It's reading, but it cannot replace the very act of sitting down and engaging your mind in reading words, phrases, sentences, paragraphs. At that moment, your mind is fluid. It can take the shape of the ideas. And the reason is because you are actively wrestling with the mind of the author. You're thinking through the author's thoughts. You are creating your own ideas from the ideas of the author. Work with AI to aid your reading. Listen to audiobooks. Yes, you can do this, but do not deceive yourself into thinking that listening to a book or allowing AI to read for you is the same as reading books.